This is numbers 1 through 8 on the study guide. Number 1 through 8, we were supposed to look for the vocabulary term that matches a definition or symbolic form. So I'm actually going to work on the right and fill out in the letters here on the left. On A, it says two angles whose sum is 90 degrees. When we have two angles that add up to be 90 degrees, those are going to be complementary angles. On the next one, it's a symbolic form. We see we have x and y, and since there's that symbol on top, that means line xy. So this will be B. On number 3, it appears that we have two angles that are going to add up with their measures and equal 180. When two angles measures have a sum of 180, those are called supplementary angles. So that will be C. On D, it says two angles whose measure is the same. That means those two angles have the same measure, so it means that they are congruent. On the next one, it says an angle whose measure is 180 degrees. So it's a single angle. When you have a single angle with a measure of 180 degrees, that is a straight angle. On the next one, it says that we have another symbolic form here. Starting at M and going forever through N is a ray, where the endpoint is M. So this will be a ray. On G, it says the part of the ray or the line with two endpoints. When you take part of a line or part of a ray and put two endpoints on the end, that's called a line segment. And finally, it says two angles whose non-adjacent sides form opposite rays. And when you have that, that will be a linear pair.